Screen is visible to all of you? Students, screen is properly visible to you? Okay. So let's start today's lecture. Students, in previous lecture, we discussed about the basic introduction about Android, what Android is. Then we discussed the course objectives. Then after course objective, we discussed the course outcomes of this subject. Then after course outcome, we discussed the syllabus of Android programming. Like your syllabus is divided into 4 units. Total 4 units in your syllabus. Then after discussing syllabus, we discuss the lab portion, the syllabus of lab portion. Then we discuss hardware and software to be used in labs. So in today's class, we discuss the first unit of your syllabus. Okay. So before discuss what is Android, you must know what is the prerequisite of this subject. Okay. So prerequisite of this subject is Android programming is based on two things, two subjects. First is Java programming and the second is database management system. Okay, Android programming is based on Java programming language and database management system. Clear? So if you have basic understanding on Java programming and database management system, then it will be easy for you to learn Android application development. So Java programming language and database management system is a prerequisite of Android programming. Clear? This is clear to all of you? Prerequisite of this subject? Okay. So the first slide is what is Android? So the definition of Android, what is Android? Our subject is Android programming. So the first question is what is Android? So Android is a complete set of software. Okay, Android is a complete set of software for mobile devices. Okay, Android is designed for mobile devices such as tablet computers, notebooks, smartphones, okay, electronic book readers, set-top boxes, etc. So Android is an operating system for mobile. First thing. The second point is it contains a Linux-based operating system. Okay, Android contains a Linux kernel operating system. Clear? Kernel 2.6. Okay, it contains a Linux-based operating system, middleware, and key mobile application. Clear? Next is it can be thought of as a mobile operating system. Clear? But it is not limited to mobiles only. Android is not limited to mobile only. In nowadays, it is used in various other devices also, like in tablets, we use Androids. In televisions, we use Androids. So it is not limited to mobiles only. Clear? Next is Android can be programmed in C or C++. Clear? Android can be programmed in C or C++, but most app development is done in Java programming language. Mostly Android application, Android code is written in Java language, but Android can be programmed in C or C++. Clear? So major devices that runs on Android operating systems are like smartphones. In smartphones, we run Android operating system. In tablets, in smart watches, smart TVs, So these are the devices in which we run Android operating system. Clear? Next term is mobile application or app. So what is mobile application or app? A mobile application or app is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as phone, tablet, or watch. Mobile application is commonly referred to as an app, is a type of application software designed to run on a mobile devices such as smartphones or tablet computers. Okay, and mobile applications frequently serve to provide user with similar services to those accessed on PCs. Clear? And apps are generally small individual software units with limited functions. Clear? And mobile application may also be known as app, web app, and online app. Mobile application also be known as app, web app, online app, iPhone app, or smartphone apps. Next important point is apps are divided into two broad categories. Number one is native apps, and second type of app is web apps. So what is the difference between native apps and web apps? Native apps are built for specific mobile operating system. Only for mobile operating system, native apps are built. Okay, usually iOS or Android. Clear? And native apps enjoy better performance and more finely tuned user interface. Clear? And on the other hand side, web apps are used in HTML5 or CSS and required minimum device memory since they are run through a browser. Okay, and the user is redirected on a specific web page and all the information is saved on a server-based databases. So web apps require a stable connection to be used. Clear? So this is the main difference between native apps and web apps. After mobile application, the next topic is history of Android. So history and versions of Android are very interesting. Okay, the code names of Android ranges from A to J currently. Clear? So the history of Android is initially Andy Rubin founded Android Incorporation in Palo Alto, California, United States in October 2003. Who founded Android Incorporation? Andy Rubin founded Android Incorporation, okay, in Palo Alto, California. Clear? Then next in 17 August 2005, Google acquired Android Incorporation. Okay, Android Incorporation was purchased by the Google. So Google acquired Android Incorporation. Since then, it is in the subsidiary of Google Incorporation. Clear? Then after that, the key employees of Android Incorporation are Andy Rubin, Chris White, Nick Sears, Rich Miner. So all are also joined Google. Clear? And originally intended for cameras only. Android is originally intended for cameras only, but shifted to smartphone later because of low market for camera only. Clear? Then Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin. Clear? Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin given by co-workers because of his love to robots. Andy Rubin's love robots. So it gives the name Android. Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin. And in 2007, Google announces the development of Android operating system. Clear? Who announces the development of Android operating system? In 2007, Google announces the development of Android operating system. And in 2008, HTC launched the first Android mobile. Who and launched the first Android mobile? HTC. Okay, HTC company in 2008 launched the first Android mobile. So this is the history of Android. So after this, the next is Open Handset Alliance, OHA. OHA is called Open Handset Alliance. So what is OHA, Open Handset Alliance? So OHA is a consortium of 84 companies. So what is consortium? It is an association typically of several companies. Okay. What is consortium? Association typically of several companies. And in OHA, total 84 companies. It is a consortium of 84 companies such as Google, Samsung, Huawei, eBay, Intel, and many more. Okay. It was established on 5th November 2007, led by Google. And it is committed to advance open standard, provide services, and deploy handset using the Android platform. And reason for Nokia not to develop Android mobile is Nokia company is not a part of OHA. Okay. Why Nokia is not developing Android mobiles? Because Nokia company is not a part of OHA. Open Handset Alliance is a consortium of 84 companies, but Nokia is not a part of that. Clear? So after OHA, Open Handset Alliance, next topic is versions of Android. So the version of Android is very important and very interesting. And the code names of Android ranges from A to J currently. Okay. So the first version of Android is Android 1.0. Okay. Android 1.0 is the first version. And the code name of this version is Astro or Apple Pie. It is also called Apple Pie and Astro. Okay, this is the first full version of Android, and Android 1.0 is released on September 23, 2008. Okay, in September 23, 2008, first Android version is developed, is released. And next is HTC Dream, also known as T-Mobile G1. So the first mobile that is known as T-Mobile G1 uses Android 1.0. This mobile that name is T-Mobile G1, uses Android version 1.0. Okay. And Android 1.0 contains Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. Okay. Next is it is quite slow in operating system. This is the drawback of Android 1.0. It is quite slow in operating system. Next, copy and paste feature in the web browser is not present. Okay, copy and paste features are not present in Android 1.0 version. Clear? So after Android 1.0, the next version is Android 1.1, and this version is the code name of this is Banana Bread, and it is also called Blender. Okay. So Android 1.1 is released on Feb 2009. Details and review available when user searches for businesses on map. Then it has the ability to save attachment in messages. Okay, in Android 1.1, it has the ability to save attachment in your messages. So after this, the next Android version is Android Cupcake 1.5. Android version 1.5, and the code name of Android 1.5 is Cup Name. Okay. So this is the image of Cupcake. Android version 1.5. So Android Cupcake is released on April 30th April 2009. Added auto rotation option. Auto rotation option is added in Cupcake. Then copy and paste feature added in the web browser. That is the drawback of previous version Android 1.1. So this is copy and paste features are added in the web browsers. Next, increase speed and performance, but not up to required level. So this is the drawback of Cupcake. After Cupcake, next version is Android 1.6 and the code name is Donut. Okay. Okay. This is the image of Donut. It is released on 15 September 2009. Voice search and search box were added in Android 1.6 version. Then it faster operating system boot times and fast web browsing experience in Android 1.6. Then typing is quite slow. This is the drawback of Donut. Is typing is very slow in this Android operating system. After Donut, next version is Android Eclair 2.0 and 2.1. So this is the image of Android Eclair. So Eclair is released on 26th October 2009. It supports Bluetooth 2.1. Then improved typing speed on virtual keyboards with smarter dictionary. Okay. And no Adobe Flash Media support. This is a drawback of Eclair, in which we not support the Adobe Flash Media Player. So after Eclair, next version is Fro, Android Fro 2.2. This is the image of Fro. It released on May 20, 2010. It support for Adobe Flash 10.1. Improved application launcher with better browser. Better browsers. It supports better browsers. Then no internet calling is available in Android Fro 2.2. So this is the drawback. Next version is Android Gingerbread 2.3. This is the image. Gingerbread is released on 6 December 2010. Updated user interface with high efficiency and speed. Internet calling is available in this version. One-touch word selection and copy-paste facility is also available in this version. New keyboard for faster word input is also available in this, and more successful versions of Android than previous versions. Okay, Gingerbread is more successful version than as compared to previous versions. But the drawback of Gingerbread is it not support multi-core processors. This is the drawback of Gingerbread. Then after Gingerbread, next version is Android Honeycomb 3.0. This is the image. Honeycomb is released on February 22, 2011. It supports for multi-core processors. The drawback of Gingerbread is it not support multi-core processors, but it in Honeycomb it supports for multi-core processors. Ability to encrypt all user data. Then this version of Android is only available for tablets. Okay, in tablets for we use an Honeycomb operating system. So this is the drawback of this version. After this, after Honeycomb, the next version is Android Ice Cream Sandwich, ICS 4.0. This is the image. And Ice Cream Sandwich is released on November 14, 2011. Virtual buttons in the UI is available in this version. It has the ability to shut down apps that are using data in the backgrounds. Then after Ice Cream Sandwich, next version is Jelly Bean, Android Jelly Bean 4.1. This is the image of Jelly Bean, and Jelly Bean is released on June 27, 2012. It is the latest version of Android. Smoother user interface, beautiful user interface is of Jelly Bean. Then after Jelly Bean, next version is Android KitKat 4.4, and KitKat is released on 31st October 2013. It has the ability for application to trigger translucency in the navigation and status bars. Wireless printing capability is available in this Android operating system, and even more features are currently being rolled out. Then after KitKat, next version is Lollipop. So it released on 12th of November 2014. Lollipop has better Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control. It has better sound profile, better device protection. Notification can be flicked away in Android or Lollipop. Then after Lollipop, next Android version is Android Marshmallow 6.0. It released on 5th of October 2015. Get relevant information faster, go longer with more efficient battery use, and simplify security, keeps application in their place. So after Marshmallow, the next operating system is Nougat, and it is released on August 22nd, 2016. Then after Nougat, next operating system is Android version is Oreo, and it released on 21st of August 2017. After Oreo, next Android version is Pie. It released on 6th of August 2018. Then after Pie, next Android version is Android 10. And the name of Android 10 is Quinstat. Then after Android 10, next version is Android 11. And the code name of Android 11 is Red Velvet Cake. Then next Android version is Android 12. That is called Snow Cone. And after that, latest version of Android is Android 12L. That is called Snow Cone V2, version 2. Clear? So these are the versions of Android, code names of Android. So after learning what is Android and what are the various versions of Android, so let's see the features of Android. Okay. And the main important features of Androids are given below. The first one is it is open source. This is a very important point. Android, it is open source. So now the question is, what do you mean by open source? What is open source? So any program whose source code is made available for use is called open source. Or you can say open source is a code that is made freely available for possible modification and redistribution. Means Android is an open source. The code of the Android is made available for you, and you can modify, you can redistribute according to your requirement in the code. Okay, you can modify code, you can redistribute code according to your own requirements. That's why Android is called an open source, because open source is any program whose source code is made available for use. Okay, and Android code is made freely available for possible modification or redistribution according to your own specification, according to your own requirements. So this is the important feature of Android. Android is open source. Clear? The second feature of Android is Android supports wireless communications using 3G networks, 4G networks, 802.11 Wi-Fi networks, and Bluetooth connectivities. Okay, this is the important feature of Android is Android supports wireless communication. It supports 3G, it supports 4G, Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connectivities. Okay, the next feature of Android is multi-process system in which each